Convert mono to stereo. If you have a mono sound file or a video with mono sound, when you play it, you'll only hear it in one earphone or out of one speaker. If you convert that sound to stereo, you will then hear it from both speakers and it'll sound normal. So what we'll do in this video is show you how to do the conversion. The example will start with a video file that has audio, but it has audio that's mono. It only has one channel of sound. When you feed a video file into Audacity, it'll strip out just the audio file because it's an audio editor. Then we'll copy the left channel to the right channel and produce an output file that has both channels of sound. It's not true stereo. The two sides are copies of each other, but it'll sound okay because it'll come out of both speakers. Now for an audio file, you're done here and just replace the original audio file. But if it's a video file that has audio, you need to use some sort of video editor that will allow you to replace audio in a video file. And we'll be using in the example Cyberlink PowerDirector, which is a $100 program. Audacity, by the way, is a free program. There are other video editors that can do the same thing. You can research them on your own, but I'm real familiar with PowerDirector because I use it for all my video editing. There are, in fact, free video editors. I don't know if they'll have the features that Cyberlink PowerDirector has. Now, what we're going to do with the PowerDirector video editor is we're going to feed the original video with mono sound into it. We're going to feed in the created stereo sounding file and audio, and we're going to replace this audio with this audio to produce a file that's a video file that has both channels producing sound. For this example, I'm using a video file with only one audio channel. Drag the file onto Audacity to open it. Audacity only edits audio. It will extract the audio from the video file. Note that there's only one channel of audio. Now click the file name to the left of the audio track that shows audio and select Split Stereo Track. Double-click the track with the sound to select it. Press Ctrl-C to copy. Double-click the empty track. Press Ctrl-V to paste. Now select Export, File, Export as MP3. Specify the location and the file name. Location will be on the desktop, and what we call it is Sample Video with Stereo, and we'll save. And we'll close Audacity without saving the project. Next, we'll open Cyberlink PowerDirector with the original video with the mono sound and the track that has the stereo sound from the video. Drag the video with the mono sound and the audio with the stereo sound into separate tracks. Need to expand it because we're dealing with a very short sample. Make sure they're both on the left end so they're lined up properly. You could just drag the audio onto the video, but to be safe, let's go ahead and delete the old audio first. To do that, to just delete the audio, we have to unlink the video and audio. Select just the audio, press the delete key. Now we can just drag the new audio up in place of the audio that we just deleted. We can verify that that's stereo audio by using the editor, the audio editor in Cyberlink PowerDirector. It's just that that audio editor no longer has the capability to convert mono to stereo. So in the tools, we can select audio editor. It'll import the audio file, and we see that there are in fact two channels. The previous version of the audio editor let you copy one track to the other, but this new version apparently no longer has that capability. Now we've got our finished video with the stereo tracked, and we can go ahead and produce it. And we'll just call it Video with Stereo. And we'll close Cyberlink. Now let's verify with Audacity that the resulting video file does in fact have stereo sound. We'll just open Audacity with the new file, and you can see that it does have two channels. Notice they are perfectly identical because one's a copy of the other, but the sound will come out of both speakers. If you like this video, please like it and add a comment. If you subscribe and request email notifications, you'll be notified when videos are added to the channel. To visit my channel, click my name, Thomas Wallace, or my photo. Here's how to visit Tom's Tech Notes later. The address of the website is tomstechnotes.com, and to visit my channel, just search for TOMSTDA.